Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about enforced disappearance. Let's start. Our today's question is: enforced disappearance is more than a human right violation against an individual. We have to comment on it. First of all, what is the question's demand? Question's demand is: what is enforced disappearance? Then it is more than a human right violation against an individual. Then we have to comment on it, our personal opinion on that. Then what is the significance of that particular question? It can be asked in GS paper 1, GS paper 2 under the headings of population and associated issues. Then importance international institutions. Let's start. Our introduction would be: 30 August is celebrated as International Day for the Victim of Enforced Disappearance to uphold the liberty, equality and dignity of the individual every year. Enforced disappearance occurs when a person is secretly abducted or imprisoned by the state or political organization or by a third party with the authorization, support or acquiescence of the state or political organization, followed by a refusal to acknowledge the person's faith and whereabouts, with the intent of placing the victim outside the protection of the law. For example, recent example of Myanmar military coup, number of cases reported of enforced disappearance. Then in the autonomous region of China is forcing workforce in the name of education to prevent the other region they assigned to a place from where they never return. Saudi Arabia incident of Jamal Khashoggi, a media reporter, disappeared. Do you know from which embassy? If yes, then comment section is available for you. Argentina, dirty war. Almost 30,000 people disappeared forcefully. Then Germany is well-known example during Second World War of enforced disappearance. Then Sri Lanka, 10-year war against Tamil peoples. Then in Hong Kong, so many activists disappeared like Lee Bo due to dual citizenship of Hong Kong and UK. In India, these incidents are limited, but those who try to criticize government and their policies, they are locked behind the bars, targeted as anti-national Naxals and Khalistani, and they are charged under the sedition. What are the issues? Right to life, freedom of speech and expression, right to fair trial and human condition in detention, family members left behind, livelihood also affected, minorities are at high risk, inadequate domestic laws. Then this problem is preventable. This problem is prevalent all over the world. To fight with that, UN General Assembly adopted for the protection of all the persons from enforced disappearance, ICPPED. Measures need to be taken. Large-scale campaigning by the human rights activists. They need to provide compensation to the families of disappeared person. International media coverage should be given to the person who is disappeared all over the world. Need to encourage countries to sign UN International Convention for the protection of all persons from enforced disappearance. Then family can file petition for investigation and can demand for the justice. Then government need to make strict laws, rules and regulations. Proper enforcement of 1992 to working group for enforced disappearance need to protect basic fundamental rights of a human being. Our conclusion would be: after analyzing the whole situation, we can say enforced disappearance is more than a human right violation. Need of the hour is international community came together to eradicate this practice by immediate effect. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.